me another day to do what I love. All I ask is that you protect everyone in this audience. Protect everyone on this stage. Give my band and I the power and strength to give this city a show they'll never forget.
Amen!
For just a chance to open your heart, you could set the bar. Beyond the stars, I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you